Top stocks in news: Pace Digitech, Infi, Vedant, Lupin, DMart, Canara Bank, ABL Banks. Stocks including Pace Digitech, Infosys, Vedant, Lupin, DMart, Canara Bank, Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands, Seagull India, Banks and more will be in the spotlight on Monday, 6th October. 1. Corporate actions today. Shares of Cybertech Systems and Software shall trade ex-dividend, while shares of Julian Agro Infratech shall trade ex-bonus today. Shares of Sigma Solve shall trade ex-split and shares of Ashnisha Industries shall trade ex-date for rights issues today. 2. Pace Digitech. The company raised a total of 819.15 crore rupees from its IPO, will debut today, which was open for subscription between 26 September and 30th September. It had sold shares in the price band of Rs 208 to 219 per share with a lot size of 68 shares. The issue was overall subscribed only 1.59 times. 3. Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands. Flipkart Investments reported to offload up to 6% of its stake in Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands through a block deal valued at approximately $112 million, suggests some media reports. 4. HDFC Bank. The private lender's gross advances rose 9.9% YoY to 27.69 lakh rupees crore, while average deposits grew 15.1% YoY to 27.1 lakh rupees crore in September 2025 quarter. Average CASA deposits increased 8.5% YoY to 8.7 lakh rupees crore and average AUM jumped 9% YoY to 27.94 lakh rupees crore for the reported period. 5. Infosys. The digital services and consulting company announced its collaboration with Telenor Shared Services, TSS, to help TSS standardize HR processes and enhance employee productivity and experience through the implementation of Oracle Cloud Human Capital Management, HCM. 6. Bajaj Finance. The leading NBFC's customer franchise jumped to 110.64 million, while customer franchise increased by 4.13 million in the September 2025 quarter. Its new loans booked grew 26% to 12.17 million, while AUM soared 24% to 4.62 lakh rupees crore. AUM grew by approximately 20,800 crore rupees for the reported quarter. 7. Kotak Mahindra Bank. The private lender reported a 15.8% YoY in period-end net advances, which stood at 4.62 lakh rupees crore as of 30th September 2025. Sequentially, net advances were up 4%. The bank's average net advances for the quarter grew 14.6% YoY and 4% QoQ to 4.47 lakh rupees crore. 8. Vedant. The metal mining company achieved its highest-ever quarterly and half-yearly alumina production at the Lanjigarh refinery, with output up 31% YoY at 653 KT. Aluminium production also hit a record at 617 KT, up 1% YoY. 9. IndusInd Bank. The private lender's net advances fell 8% YoY to 3.27 lakh rupees crore, while net deposits fell 5% to 3.89 lakh rupees crore in July to September 2025 quarter. CASA ratio drops to 30.80% for the reported period. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.